What's up, guys? It's Movie Horror here, back for Blu-ray 4K Tuesday. And today's is a quite a big release week. Obviously, two big titles releasing today. The first one being a classic Bill Murray comedy movie. This is the Anniversary, and then also Friday 13th, part 4, the final chapter, getting released on SteelBook as well. But today's first unboxing will be for Bill Murray's Groundhog Day, the 30th Anniversary Edition, on 4K. In limited edition steelbook packaging, and I do love that artwork with obviously the snow, and then the clock with his reflection in it, and it's obviously 4K Ultra HD plus Blu-ray plus digital HD. It's the front, your spine, your back if you want to read details and special features. J card. Okay. There's the front cover. Beautiful, nice, shiny blue, glossy spine, and then obviously the back with obviously, I believe, the beaver, if I'm saying that correctly. Here we go. Two discs. Disc 1, 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray disc. And then disc 2. And disc 2 is the Blu-ray disc. Special 15th Anniversary Edition. And then here's the interior artwork with Bill Murray in the car. So yeah, movie collectors, that was my quick unboxing of Groundhog Day, the 30th Anniversary limited edition 4K Steelbook. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Sister, thank you. Leave me a comment section below, letting me know what's your favorite Steelbook release so far, and what Steelbook are you looking forward to the coming years, and what's your favorite Bill Murray movie. Thank you.